it is a chain. So it goes, Marius, Sully, Pompey, Julius Caesar, where each one pushes the boundaries of the Roman Republic a little bit, pushes at the structures of the institutions of the Republic, and they're motivated by personal gain. They're putting themselves above the state. So at the same time, you have lots of groups unhappy in society, and you get these strong men who are now undermining the institutions, chipping away at the things that have been shared, things holding the state together. And in the end, they just become so ambitious. They're like, I don't care about the state. I'm going to try and make myself ruler of Rome. So, I mean, this is going to culminate obviously in Julius Caesar, who does succeed in making himself dictator for life of the Roman Republic, which is tantamount to king, and he gets assassinated for it. But he's the end point of this progression of people who really undermine the institutions of the Republic through their own personal greed.
So the resentment boils and boils and boils, and there's this person that puts themselves
and they exploit it. They're demagogues.
Yeah.
They exploit it.
But Caesar puts himself above the state, and that, I guess, the Roman people also hate.
Well, I mean, it's a love-hate because Caesar is very successful at playing to the Roman people. So he becomes their hero where he says, I'll be your champion against the state who doesn't care about you. So Caesar will do things where he'll put on big shows for the people. And it's cynical. I mean, he's doing this to further his own political power, but he's presenting himself as a populist in essence, even though he aspires to be a dictator, right? But it's a way of winning the people's support because that's a tool for him in his struggle with other aristocrats.
So a dictator in populist clothing.